power of the device, later press the power button and volume up button simultaneously. Once the Redmi logo appear, you can remove the power button finger, and here comes the orange fox recovery, latest for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Once that has done, go to delete section. Here it's wipe actually, and go to advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache system vendor data and swipe here to wipe it. Done. Go to here and select the files where you downloaded the files. First always flash the firmware. Here I am having FW Violet, MIUI Violet in global 12.5.1. This is the latest firmware available for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Flash that firmware. Again come back to files wherever you downloaded, and I am here flashing the Pixel OS version 12 2022-211. This is the latest build available for Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see guys, this is a Pixel OS with Android version 12, and the build date is, and the security patch is 2022 February 5th. It takes a little bit of time to flash. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, ROM zip file has been flashed. Go to again files and select the fcrypt disabler, flash that. Done. Come back to menu and select this and select the reboot and select to system. This is how the flashing method of Pixel OS based on Android 12 for Redmi Note 7 Pro with February security patch. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And here comes the Google Pixel logo. It will be booted into Pixel OS, and in this video we are going to see all the bugs, features and BGMI gameplay and benchmark results. Everything will be explained in this video. Stay tuned till the end of the video, and let's begin this video guys. Hey, hi, welcome back to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel, and this is a Redmi Note 7 Pro with Pixel OS Android 12 based on February 5th 2022 security patch, and the kernel used here is 4.14.212. Azure kernel has been used here, Azure Zeus Plus kernel, and this is the latest version available for Redmi Note 7 Pro. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes and 10 seconds. You can check out here, and maximum is 143 and average is 139 and minimum is 111. CPU is throttled to 95% of its maximum performance. This update brings February security patch and some of the improvements, UI improvements and enhanced stability you get in this ROM. Really good. Let's see with speed test here, and you get direct video call feature, and 4G plus is also working, carrier aggregation, and there is no call recording in this ROM. And this is the speed test. It's pretty good. You can definitely use it as a daily driver. And if you're already using this ROM, I mean the previous version and the current version, do comment down in the comment section below guys, such that others will understand your experience with this ROM. And it comes with Google Go camera. If you want, you can use any Gcam port. I am using here Nikita Gcam. All are working fine. In fact, I tried Arnova build Gcam also, and this also working fine in this ROM. No problem regarding that. And coming to Geekbench scores, here you get pretty good scores considering it's in Pixel OS, and scores are like this. Single score is 434 and multi score is 1421, and the kernel has been used here is Linux 4.14.212. Azure Zeus Plus kernel has been used. And coming to Antutu benchmark results, it's also pretty good scores. You can see here 2,45,743, and the temperature raise is just 1.3 degrees Celsius, and 4% battery has been drained during this testing. This is the Antutu benchmark results. And coming to DRM info, here you get level 1 certification. No need to worry watching the OTT applications in HD resolution. And coming to safety net status, it's also get passed. Obviously, as you can see, it get passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Yono, SBI, whatever you want to use, you can use in this ROM. And WhatsApp, everything is working fine, no problem regarding that in this ROM. And this are the quick settings panel you get, and there is advanced restart button has been added in this ROM. That's really nice. And widgets, Android 12 widgets and Android wallpapers all are working fine. And home settings, you get all the options here, you can check out. And coming into settings, I can say the smoothness in the UI is remained the same, very good, not bad, it's really good. And coming with apps, you get here default apps. You can change the default apps from here. For example, if you want to use any Truecaller as a phone app, you can change from here. Game settings is given, game dashboard and do not disturb for games is also given in this ROM. Sound and vibration, you get all the basic settings included with direct sound settings like Me Sound Enhancer. You can choose the headphone type and the preset. Those things are also included in this ROM. Coming to display settings, you get all the basic things. And dark theme is still not a pitch black condition, but anyhow you can see here it's almost pitch black, but a little bit it depends upon wallpaper you change. Font size, display size, night light, you can increase the intensity, and you can even schedule both of them like dark theme and night light. Clock saver, double tap to wake is also given in the ROM. Wallpapers and style, I spoken about that. Security settings, you just get a face unlock. Let me show you. Sorry, fingerprint unlock, you get this ROM. As you can see, the fingerprint scanner is working fine, no problem regarding the fingerprint scanner, fast enough. There is no face unlock or app locker in this ROM. And encryption and credential, phone not encrypted, you can check here because we flash the fcrypt disable. If you want to format, if you want to become encrypted, you need to format data while flashing guide I already explained at the beginning. And into the settings, let's see the accessibility menu and privacy settings. You get all the basic Android 12 style, that's all are present. And location is also working fine, no problem regarding that also. And into accessibility, as you can see, accessibility menu is also working fine, as you can see. If you use that, you can use all the basic things like volume and brightness. You can adjust from here without sliding or without touching the volume buttons. You can use the actual buttons virtually. It's an handy feature, you can definitely try it out in any Android 12 AOSP based stuff. From sound amplifier is also given. Into the system, into the gestures, you get swipe to screenshot is also given. Enable advanced restart, playback and adaptive playback. Into the gesture navigation, you just get left edge, right edge, sensitivity and swipe to invoke assistant. These are the settings, basic things you get. Let's see the BGMI gameplay in this ROM, how it will handle. You get this kind of graphic settings, smooth plus ultra and HD plus I. If you want, you can use GFX tool to enable the smooth plus extreme options. That's the maximum settings you can enable in this smartphone. Smooth enough gameplay is the benchmark results, and CPU throttling test you already checked. And volume is kept to 80% now. I'll reduce the volume, it's good enough, loud. And gameplay is also smooth. Definitely it will be even smoother if you play in 60 fps, but this is how the experience. Okay, I'll come back. These are the BGMI gameplay in this Pixel OS. It's pretty good ROM as you can see, and the fingerprint unlock, let me show you once again. It's pretty fast. All the basic things are working fine. You can definitely try it as a daily driver. Apart from Pixel Experience and Pixel Experience Plus, this is also an option to use as a daily driver. And that's all in this video, and there is lot more videos coming on Redmi Note 7 Pro custom ROMs and Poco X3 custom ROMs and some of the tech related videos. I also made a video on Redmi Note 11 unboxing. If you want to check that out, check out. I'll be also providing that in the description. And if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button also down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And ROM management, as you can see, RAM management is also pretty good. Still it's in memory. CPU throttling test very good. It's like long ago I opened, but it's still in memory. And into the battery life, let's go into battery life and see. It's also going to be pretty good. It was around 60 or 70% I was using. You can check out while flashed. It hasn't been recorded, but battery life is also going to be very decent. It is more than better also. And that's all guys in this video. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.